Hey you guys out there, I just want to tell you guys something, yeah. I'm really sorry about the people who just watch my video, yeah. So, some who just watch my video, right? Sorry if my specs disturb you because apparently see this black light. As you can see, I'm just in an outfit. Okay, I'm already just like going outside. Actually, I'm going to move somewhere without it. Secret. Then after that, when I go home, then I will tell you where I go. Okay, so as you see, I'm holding a guitar. Yes. Let me show you something. This is actually a plaster. Plaster. The plaster. A body plaster. Plaster. I'm gonna show you what I just did. So this guitar is already um what do you call it? It's already broken. Yeah. It's already broken. So yeah, I just learn how to do this. Not learn, I just like playing and suddenly put your 4 fingers like that. Okay. See, it's very broken as you know. This is loose. This is loose. This is loose. And almost all of it is loose. Except for the third one and the second one. So yeah. Yes, so if you guys at home want to make this, you don't have this is already broken. Yeah, so that is what I have. And I just wanted this video to you guys and really sorry I have for explaining the video, the end. So yeah, information. What is the last